Dear students, in this video I am going to discuss about causes of poverty. In India, the causes of poverty are as follows. First one, those are historical reasons. During the British rule, the agriculture sector suffered in India due to various reasons. On one hand, agriculture is based on monsoon and monsoon itself is uncertain. Also, the Britishers did not show any interest in investing money in irrigation projects. On the other hand, due to repeated droughts, zamindari system, tenancy system, the economic conditions of farmers deteriorated and they were under pressure of debt as well as interest of loan given to them by zamindars, moneylenders and big businessmen. As a result, the farmers and agriculture suffered and so poverty increased. Not only this, Britishers followed that kind of trade policy, tax policy, and industrial policy so that Indian trade and business started losing their competitive power and production power. Small and cottage industries of India were ruined. As a result, unemployment and poverty started increasing. Next cause are causes of rural poverty. In that, first one is natural causes. Repeated drought, uncertainty of monsoon, and floods resulted in low production and less and uncertain income of the farmers, and hence poverty is more. Second one are the demographic factors. During the planning period in India, due to economic development and rapid improvement in health services on the one hand, death rate declined, but at the same time, birth rate did not reduce, which resulted in high increase in population. Now, this high increase in population does not allow the per capita income to increase. Low per capita income and big size of families resulted in poor quality of life. Labor supply also increases because of high population, but low pace of development increased unemployment and so was poverty. Next one are the economic factors. First one is low agricultural productivity per labor. Because of poor irrigation facilities, insufficient technology, lack of education and training, as well as heavy load of population on agriculture sector resulted in low agricultural productivity in India. So due to low income of farmers, poverty increased. Next one is unequal distribution of land and property. Land is very important for cultivation, but because of zamindari system, land ownership was with a handful of zamindar. These zamindars were not directly associated with land cultivation and therefore had no interest to invest in agriculture sector. On the other hand, because of zamindari system, most of the tenants were working on others' land and were not the owners. So they also had no interest in investments. As a result, agricultural production became low and poverty increased day by day. Next one is minimal development of small and cottage industries. Small and cottage industries have great contribution in employment as well as in providing income and production, and mostly they were neglected because from the second 5-year plan onwards, heavy and basic industries were given importance and therefore small and cottage industries were neglected. Also, agricultural and allied activities like animal husbandry, dairy farming, fisheries were growing slowly, and therefore seasonal unemployment was observed in the agricultural sector. As a result, poverty remained high. Next one is rapid increase in prices. Price rise seriously affects poverty. Because of rise in price, purchasing power of low income group reduces, which ultimately leads to low standard of living. And on the other hand, with increase in price, the benefit is obtained by businessmen, traders, and big farmers, which leads to unequal distribution of income in the society. Thus, poverty increases. Now, next one here is high rate of unemployment. In India, agriculture is dependent on monsoon and hence only one crop is cultivated in a year. So there exists seasonal unemployment. Due to increase in population and joint family system, the burden on agriculture increases and this leads to disguised unemployment. Especially in rural India, lack of development of allied industries are responsible for high illiteracy, low mobility of labor, and high rate of unemployment as well as poverty. Thank you, students.